Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, you will get to know that how you can restore Snapchat streak. Let's begin then. Open your Snapchat account. Now tap on the Bitmoji icon on top left corner of your screen. And now select settings icon. Scroll down and tap on I need help. Now tap on the I lost my snap streak option. Scroll down a little and tap on the option how do I restore my snap streak. Scroll down. Here you can see a kind of form. Now fill all the required information and then at last tap on submit. So this is how you can try to restore Snapchat streak. Hope you found this video helpful. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.